Welcome to Math Marathon. Good morning, students. Chapter 12, Surface Areas and Volumes. Exercise 12.2, Introduction. Volume of cube is a cube. Volume of cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. R is radius of cylinder. H is height of cylinder. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. R is radius of cone. H is height of cone. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere is half of 4 by 3 pi r cube. Let us see next question. A solid is in the shape of a cone, standing on a hemisphere, with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. I have drawn a diagram. Cone is standing on a hemisphere. We have the following information. Consider hemisphere, the radius r is 1 centimeter. Consider cone, the radius r is 1 centimeter and height h is 1 centimeter. Total volume is equal to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Total volume is equal to half of volume of sphere plus volume of cone. Total volume is equal to half of volume of sphere, which is 4 by 3 pi r cube, plus volume of cone, which is 1 by 3 pi r square h. In numerator and denominator, we have 2. We can cancel out 2. Total volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi plus 1 by 3 pi. Total volume is equal to 2 pi plus pi divided by 3. Total volume is equal to 3 pi by 3. In numerator and denominator, we have 3. We can cancel out 3. Total volume is equal to pi centimeter cube. Let us see next question. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 cones attached at its 2 ends by using a thin aluminium sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 cm and its length is 12 cm. If each cone has a height of 2 cm, find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Assume the outer and inner dimensions of the model to be nearly the same. I have drawn a diagram. I have drawn a cylinder with 2 cones attached at its ends. We have the following information. Consider cylinder. Diameter is 3 cm. So, radius r is 3 by 2, which is 1.5 cm. Height is total height of model, which is 12 minus height of 2 cones, which is 2 plus 2. Height is 12 minus 4, which is 8 cm. Height h1 is 8 cm. Consider cone. Radius r is 1.5 cm. Height h2 is 2 cm. Total volume is equal to volume of cylinder plus twice of volume of cone. Because we have 2 cones. Total volume is equal to volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h1 plus twice of volume of cone, which is 1 by 3 pi r square h2. Pi r square is common. So, total volume is equal to pi r square in bracket h1 plus 2 by 3 h2. Total volume is equal to pi, which is 22 by 7 multiplied by r square, which is 1.5 square in bracket H1 which is 8 plus 2 by 3 H2 which is 2. First, let us do the math within bracket. To do some operation in the numerator, we need to have common denominator. So, let us multiply 8 with 3 by 3. "24 plus 4 is 28. In numerator and denominator, we have 7. We can cancel out 7. In numerator and denominator, we have 3. We can cancel out 3. Volume is equal to 22 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 4. 22 multiplied by 0.5 is 11. Volume is equal to 11 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 4. 1.5 multiplied by 4 is 6. Volume is equal to 11 multiplied by 6. Volume is equal to 66 centimeter cube. Let us see next question. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. See picture. We have the following information. Consider cylinder. Diameter D is 2.8 cm. Radius R is diameter by 2, which is 2.8 by 2. Radius R is 1.4 cm. Height H is total height of gulab jamun minus radius of two hemispheres. So, height H is 5 minus 1.4 minus 1.4. So, height H is 2.2 cm. Consider hemisphere. Radius R is 1.4 cm. Volume of one gulab jamun is equal to volume of cylinder plus twice of volume of hemisphere. Volume is equal to volume of cylinder, which is pi r square H plus twice of volume of hemisphere, which is half of 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is equal to pi r square H plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r square is common. So, volume is equal to pi r square in bracket H plus 4 by 3 r. Volume is equal to pi, which is 22 by 7 r square, which is 1.4 square in bracket H, which is 2.2 plus 4 by 3 r, which is 1.4. First, let us do the math within bracket. To do some operation in the numerator, we need to have common denominator. So, 2.2 is multiplied by 3 by 3. 6.6 plus 5.6 is equal to 12.2. In numerator and denominator, we have 7. We can cancel out 7. We have calculated the volume of one gulab jamun. We need to find the volume of 45 gulab jamun. In numerator and denominator, we have 3. We can cancel out 3. Volume of 45 gulab jamun is 15 multiplied by 75.152. Now, let us find the 30% of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamuns. 30% of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamuns is 338 centimeter cube. Let us see next question. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. The radius of each of the depressions is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. See picture. We have the following information. Consider cuboid, length is 15 cm, breadth is 10 cm, and height is 3.5 cm. Consider cone, radius r is 0.5 cm and height h is 1.4 cm. Volume is equal to volume of cuboid minus 4 multiplied by volume of cone. Volume is equal to volume of cuboid, which is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height minus 4 multiplied by volume of cone, which is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume is equal to length, which is 15 multiplied by breadth, which is 10 multiplied by height, which is 3.5 minus 4 multiplied by 1 by 3 pi, which is 22 by 7 multiplied by r square, which is 0.5 square multiplied by h, which is 1.4. In numerator and denominator, we have 7. We can cancel out 7. In numerator and denominator, we have 2 multiplied by 2. We can cancel out 2 multiplied by 2. 15 multiplied by 35 is 525. 22 by 15 is 1.4666 and so on. We can round it off to 2 digits. So, 1.47. Volume is equal to 525 minus 1.47. Volume is equal to 523.53 centimeter cube. Let us see next question. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lead shots, each of which is a spear of radius 0.5 centimeter, are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. I have drawn a diagram. I have shown an inverted cone. Also, I have shown a spear. We have the following information. Consider cone. Height is 8 centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter. Consider spear. Radius is 0.5 centimeter. Archimedes' principle is, if the body is completely submerged, the volume of fluid displaced is equal to the volume of the body. So, 1/4 of volume of cone is equal to n number of volume of spears. First, let us find 1/4 of volume of cone. 1/4 of volume of cone is equal to 1/4 of 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1/4 of volume of cone is equal to 1/4 of 1 by 3 pi r square, which is 5 square, multiplied by h, which is 8. Now, let us find n number of volume of spears. N number of volume of spears is equal to n multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube. N number of volume of spears is equal to n multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is 0.5 cube. We know that 1/4 of volume of cone is equal to n number of volume of spheres. Equations 1 and 2 are equal. So, we got this equation. We need to solve for n. Let us divide the equation by pi. We can cancel out pi. Let us divide the equation by 1 by 3. We can cancel out 1 by 3. Let us divide the equation by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. We can cancel out 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Let us divide the equation by 2 multiplied by 2. We can cancel out 2 multiplied by 2. N multiplied by 0.5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. N multiplied by 0.5 is equal to 50. N is equal to 100. Number of spheres is 100. Let us see next question. A solid iron pole consists of cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. Find the mass of the pole, given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Use pi is equal to 3.14. I have drawn a diagram. I have drawn a cylinder surmounted by another cylinder. We have the following information. Consider cylinder 1. Height h1 is 220 cm. Diameter is 24 cm. Radius is diameter by 2, so 24 by 2, which is 12. Radius R1 is 12 cm. Consider cylinder 2. Height h2 is 60 cm. Radius R2 is 8 cm. Total volume is equal to volume of cylinder 1 plus volume of cylinder 2. Volume is equal to volume of cylinder 1, which is pi R1 square h1, plus volume of cylinder 2, which is pi R2 square h2. Volume is equal to pi, which is 3.14, multiplied by R1 square, which is 12 square, multiplied by h1, which is 220, plus pi, which is 3.14, multiplied by R2 square, which is 8 square, multiplied by h2, which is 60. Volume is equal to 99,475.2 plus 12,057.6. Volume is equal to 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube. We have the following information from question. 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. So, 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube of iron mass is equal to 8 multiplied by 1,11,532.8 gram. So, mass is equal to 8,92,262.4 gram. We know that 1,000 gram is 1 kilogram. So, mass is equal to 892.2624 kilogram. So, mass is equal to 892.2624 kilogram. Let us see next question. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 cm and radius 60 cm, standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 cm, is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 cm and its height is 180 cm. I have drawn a diagram. I have shown a cone standing on a hemisphere placed in a cylinder. We have the following information. Consider cone. Height h1 is 120 cm. Radius r is 60 cm. Consider hemisphere. Radius r is 60 cm. Consider cylinder. Height h2 is 180 cm. Radius r is 60 cm. Volume of water left in cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone minus volume of hemisphere. Volume is equal to volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h2 minus volume of cone, which is 1 by 3 pi r square h1 minus volume of hemisphere, which is half of 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r square is common. So, volume is equal to pi r square in bracket h2 minus 1 by 3 h1 minus 2 by 3 r. Volume is equal to pi r square, which is 60 square, in bracket h2, which is 180, minus 1 by 3 h1, which is 120, minus 2 by 3 r, which is 60. First, let us do the math within bracket. 120 by 3 is 40. 60 by 3 is 20. 180 minus 40 is equal to 100. Volume is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 100. Volume is approximately equal to 11,31,428.571428 centimeter cube. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Let us do cube on both sides of the equation. We get 10 lakhs centimeter cube is equal to 1 meter cube. Volume is approximately equal to 1.131428571428 meter cube. Volume is approximately equal to 1.131 meter cube. Volume is approximately equal to 1.131 meter cube. Let us see next question. A spherical glass vessel has cylindrical neck 8 cm long, 2 cm in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeters. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurements, and pi is equal to 3.14. I have drawn a diagram. I have drawn a vessel with cylindrical neck and spherical bottom. We have the following information. Consider cylinder. Height h is 8 cm. Diameter is 2 cm. So, radius is diameter by 2. So, 2 by 2, which is 1. So, radius r1 is 1 cm. Consider sphere. Diameter is 8.5 cm. So, radius is diameter by 2, so 8.5 by 2, which is 4.25. So, radius r2 is 4.25 cm. Total volume is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. Volume is equal to volume of cylinder, which is pi r1 square h plus volume of sphere, which is 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. Volume is equal to pi, which is 3.14 r1 square, which is 1 square, h, which is 8 plus 4 by 3 pi, which is 3.14 r2 cube, which is 4.25 cube. Volume is approximately equal to 25.12 plus 321.39 to 0. Volume is approximately equal to 346.512 centimeter cube. So, 345 is not correct. Correct answer is 346.51 centimeter cube. Thanks for watching.